YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best AI tools that beginners should know about in 2026. From AI powered research and writing tools to image generation, presentation, design and video creation tools, there are tools for almost every type of task. I'll go through the list and explain what each tool can do so you can use them to make your work easier and more productive. So if you are looking for useful AI tools you can start using as a beginner, make sure you watch to the end. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. So we have the first part of our list is the research and writing. As you can see, the first AI tool on our list today is the Perplexity AI. It's an AI powered search engine with real-time citations. We also have the NotebookLM, which is a private document analyzer and a note-taking assistant. And of course, we know about ChatGPT, general purpose writing, brainstorming and coding helper. So we also have the content and design AI tools, the Gamma app, the Canva, which is a magic design tool for beginner friendly graphics. So if you want to do graphic designing just on a small scale, you can start with the Canva AI. So we have the Midjourney, high quality text to image artistic generator. That is what some big companies use for their AI images. We also have audio to video AI tools, which is we have the OpusClip, which is automatic function video trimmer for social media, 11 Labs, ultra realistic text to speech voice generator. I promise you will never regret using 11 Labs for your video. So we also have the runway genre text to video generator for cinematic clips. So guys, if you feel those ones are not suitable for your taste, you can also try out these remaining ones on my list. We have Claude, which is an AI used for creative writing and coding. Find, developer search engine. We have Suno, Leonardo AI, ClipDrop, all for video editing. We also have the VO by Versa, which is an AI based on a website builder. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you discovered some useful AI tools that you can start exploring, especially if you're just getting started with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more AI tools, websites and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.